Hello from the roof of 1 St. Petersburg. It's Brian and Ricardo with your December construction update. As you can see, we're festively dressed to celebrate the occasion. We topped out, and that means our final roof deck has been poured. So we celebrated with all the construction crews, and we actually lost a bet on your behalf. We bet the construction team they couldn't top out before Christmas, and they beat us. So here we are as Santa and his elves. Enjoy the update, and everything's progressing well. Happy holidays.
Today we're pouring one of our last elevated decks. This is the 43rd floor. This is our equipment floor. Guys are working hard, finishing the concrete, making sure that all the structural reinforcement, all of the electrical conduits, structural tie downs, post-tension cable is in the right place. What an amazing sunrise. Look at the amount of steel and post-tension cable that's in this deck. The amount of conduits for electrical, tie downs, and embeds for equipment. Really well coordinated floor. Now, level 43 is our mechanical level. This is where all the building's major equipment is, our rooftop equipment. Right now you're watching many crews install stands and other essential equipment and other essential items that are used to not only hang but support and vibrationally isolate all the rooftop equipment. Also in the distance, we're pouring the last section of our rooftop. It's an amazing. View of the city of St. Petersburg.
We thank you for being a part of us and look forward to next month's update.